And I now call upon the Honourable Minister for Youth and Sports, the Honourable Jese Saukuru, to make his contribution.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. The Honourable Prime Minister, Honourable Leader of the Opposition, Honourable Ministers, Honourable Assistant Ministers, Honourable Members of Parliament. It gives me great pleasure to respond to the 2024-2025 national budget tabled by the Deputy Prime Minister and Minister for Finance, Honourable Biman Prasad. I share similar sentiments with those honourable members who have earlier shared their responses in expressing my unwavering support for the recent budget announcement for the new financial year. As the Minister for Youth and Sports, I would like to commend the coalition government's unwavering dedication to the development of youth and sports in our beloved nation. Mr. Speaker, the 20% increase in the Ministry of Youth and Sports budget for the next financial year is a significant boost and underscores the government's unwavering commitment to the development of our youth and the advancement of sports in our nation. The increased budget allocation is a clear testament to the government's recognition of the pivotal role that youth and sports play in our society. It demonstrates commitment to fostering an environment where our young people can thrive, develop their skills, and contribute positively to our nation's progress. This financial support will enable us to implement a range of initiatives designed to empower youth, enhance their capacities, and promote sports development at all levels. Mr. Speaker, youth development is a cornerstone of our national progress. The future of our nation hinges on the capabilities, skills, and empowerment of our young people. Our ministry is dedicated to ensuring that every young person has the opportunity to realize the potential and contribute meaningfully to society. This involves a multifaceted approach encompassing capacity-building programs, skill training, youth empowerment, and targeted initiatives at our youth training centres. Mr. Speaker, we have approximately 125,000 people residing in our beautiful country, and a significant one-third of this population consists of youth aged between 15 to 35 years. It is evident that investing in their future is paramount to the overall growth and development of our nation. In that regard, this budget provides the Ministry with $650,000 to support youth capacity building programs, noting its importance for preparing our youth to meet the challenges of the future. Through various programs, we aim to equip young people with the knowledge, skills, and competencies necessary for personal and professional success. These programs focus on leadership development, empowerment, entrepreneurship, and community engagement, providing youth with the tools they need to become proactive and responsible citizens. Mr. Speaker, sir, skills training is a critical component of our youth capacity building development strategy. In a rapidly changing global economy, it is imperative that our youth possess the skills required to compete and succeed. We have established training centres across the country that offer a wide range of vocational and technical training programs. These centres serve as hubs for our youth development, offering tailored programs that cater to the unique challenges and opportunities in each region. By providing access to education, training, and resources, our centres are helping through a second chance to education, ensuring that all young people have the opportunity to be successful. A further $687,600 has been allocated to ensure the proper maintenance of our youth training centres and strengthen the delivery of its programs. Mr. Speaker, as we look to the future and also consider the current issues facing our youth or young people today, we recognize the importance of instilling positive values and life skills in our young people from an early age. To this end, we are committed to strengthening the Scouts and Guides programs in our primary schools. These programs provide young children the opportunity to develop essential skills such as teamwork, leadership, and problem solving in a fun and supportive environment. The budget support we have received will enable us to expand these programs, reaching more young people, laying the foundation for their future success. Mr. Speaker, with these students transitioning to secondary school level, the Ministry is proud to deliver Duke of Edinburgh's Awards program, and a budget of $32,000 has been allocated to support this initiative. This internationally recognized initiative encourages young people to engage in a variety of challenging and rewarding activities, fostering personal development and community involvement. By participating in the Duke of Edinburgh's Awards, our youth are able to develop valuable skills, build resilience, and gain a sense of achievement. The increased budget allocation will allow us to enhance and expand this program, ensuring that more young people can benefit from its positive impact. Moreover, Mr. Speaker, sir, sports development is a key priority for our ministry, and it accounts for 72% of our budget. This significant investment reflects the importance of sports in promoting physical health, social cohesion, and serves as a platform for our youth to showcase their talents, build teamwork, and develop a strong sense of discipline and dedication. It is also a major contributor to Fiji's economy through sports tourism, generating remittances from overseas athletes, creating jobs, and fostering national pride through international competitions. Mr. Speaker, in our efforts to strengthen sports development, we have proposed a comprehensive review of the Fiji National Sports Commission. This review is aimed at ensuring that the Commission is effectively fulfilling its mandate and is well positioned to support the growth and development of sports in our nation. A budget of $50,000 has been provided to support this review, enabling us to assess the Commission's performance, identify areas for improvement, and implement necessary changes to enhance its effectiveness. Mr. Speaker, our focus on sports development begins at grassroots level. We are committed to providing young people with access to sports programs and facilities with their communities, in their communities. Through partnerships with schools, local clubs, and community organizations, we are working to ensure that our young people have the opportunity to participate in sports. Mr. Speaker, in addition to grassroots program, we are also dedicated to supporting our elite athletes. The increased budget will allow us to enhance our support for high-performance sports, providing our athletes with the resources, training, and support they need to compete at the highest levels. This includes funding for training camps, coaches, international competitions, and sports science programs, ensuring that our athletes are well prepared to represent our nation on the global stage. Mr. Speaker, infrastructure development is another critical aspect of our sports strategy. We are investing in the construction and upgrade of sports facilities across the country, ensuring that our sports-loving people and athletes have access to training and competition venues. This includes the development of multi-purpose hard courts, upgrading existing facilities, and including sports grounds in underreserved areas. A budget of $995,581 has been allocated to cater for this. Mr. Speaker, sir, promoting community engagement and participation in sports is essential for building a healthy and active society. We are implementing a range of initiatives designed to encourage people of all ages to get involved in sports and physical activities. This includes community sports festivals, fitness programs, and awareness campaigns aimed at promoting the benefits of an active lifestyle. In conclusion, Mr. Speaker, The increased budget allocation for the Ministry of Youth and Sports represents a significant investment in the future of our nation. It is a clear demonstration of the government's commitment to youth development and sports, and it provides us with the resources needed to implement a wide range of initiatives that will have a lasting impact on our young people and our society as a whole. I would like to once again thank the government for their unwavering support and for recognizing the importance of investing in our youth and sports. Together, we can build a brighter future for our nation, one that is driven by energy, talent, and potential of our young people. Thank you, sir.
Honorable Saukuru, for your contribution.